Hello Tech Genius, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'll be teaching you to to solve or overcome the common problems which may arise during the installation of TextNow. I know people I have already posted a video on the same topic, but in my last video you people have stated that you are facing some more issues. So this video is tailored to the specific audience which face a few issues such as region unavailable and some more issues which raises in the installation of TextNow, installation and sign up of TextNow. So folks, before moving on to the video, it would be great for me if you just click on the subscribe button and you could just press the bell button near to the subscribe button, so that you could enjoy my content at the time which I post, and it'd be great if you also click on the thumbs up button. So let's just not waste any more time and let's just move on to the video. So as you guys could see my screen, this is my this is my TextNow app. This is my number. This account was created on 16th of August. Right now when I'm recording, it's 25th of August. I mean, it's 23rd of August. So it's been a few days, but in this video I'll show you the step-by-step steps from installing this to the creation of the account. So first of all, this app is actually available in the Play Store, but if you search TextNow, you would be shown an error such as looking for TextNow, call plus text unlimited. This app isn't available in Play Store in your region. So the thing is that this app is only available in Canada and USA. So this app is not available in the US, and I'm from the US, so I'll not be able to install the app. But how do I have the app? I did not install it from any third-party sites. I installed it from the Play Store. So what we have to do is that we need to go to Google. Let's go to Google and we're going to search for TextNow. After searching for TextNow, we're going to press the download free button over here, or this thing over here. I'm going to just click on download free. I'm going to be redirected to the site, and from the site I'm going to click on the download button and I'll be automatically redirected to the Play Store page. See guys, this is the page. I'm going to click on get it on Play Store. If I just press this button, I'm going to be redirected here. For few more users, you would also, even if you get redirected, you would be shown region not supported. For those users, you would have to just go to any high quality VPN providers. I have specified some of the free high quality VPN providers in another video, and I'll leave that video's link in the description, and you just go check it out. And we just have to connect to either US or Canada. Right now I have it installed, so I'm not gonna connect it right now, but you can just go choose either Canada or USA. Okay, so and then the next step is going to be install it. After installing, we are gonna open it. But here I already have my account, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna navigate here. I'm gonna click TextNow. I'm gonna press this high button over here. I'm gonna scroll down to storage, and in the storage I'm gonna not just clear the cache, but I want to clear the entire data. So this is steps which you would have to do if you encounter any issues. And then the next thing which we have to do is we're gonna again go to TextNow, but this time we're gonna be connected to a VPN and we're gonna go to TextNow. So folks, this second lane over here, this is also an app released by TextNow. So if you are facing issues in TextNow, you could just use second lane. I have also posted a separate video on second lane app, and I'll leave the video's link in the description, and you can just go check it out. You can use both of these apps to connect to either WhatsApp, Telegram, or any social media and stuff. Uh, I have also posted a video on that. You can just go and check it out. So first of all, let's go to the VPN provider and let's connect to either Canada or USA. I'll be I'll be connecting to Canada right now. So right now I'm connected to Canada. The next step which I have to do is I'm gonna go to text now. This is how you would get your page, folks. If you click sign up, you would be, you know, prompted with this page. That is continue with Google, continue with Facebook, sign up with email. So guys, actually signing up with email has very less chance of succeeding, as we don't know which VPN is good and which is bad. So we could just, press on either continue with Google or continue with Facebook buttons. So you would have a more chance of successfully creating an account. Right now I'm gonna click on the continue with Google button, but I'm not gonna show you the page as that will be my Gmail accounts. So I'm just gonna pause this video right now. So folks, right now I'm prompted with a CAPTCHA. I'm gonna press and hold this button, and I'm successfully done creating. I mean, successfully I verified that I'm a human. So we're gonna wait for the result. This is taking a bit of time, so I'm gonna pause my video again over here. So folks, I have successfully created an account. You can just go check it out. This is my first time I'm using this account. I successfully created an account. I'm not going to show you my account details, as I have my personal Gmail in it. So the issue was that I had a bad VPN connection. I changed my VPN connection 2 to 3 times, and I was able to successfully, sign up an account. But this time, the issue which most of you facing while logging with the email was that many of you use your temporary email addresses. So the temporary email addresses is going to, you know, show you a spam error. So they're not gonna let you sign up using that. So it's better you just use your Gmail accounts to sign up, or you just use your Facebook accounts to sign up. One better idea is that you could create a Facebook account using your temporary mail, and then you could just sign up with that account. So folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. It would be great for me if you could just leave a subscribe, and you could just press the bell button, and you could just leave a thumbs up for the video. So thanks for watching this video. Until then, bye.